Okay, in this video we will see about the concept of interface. So what do you mean by interface? Okay, so interface is a reference type in Java. Okay, so it is similar to the class, that is it is a collection of abstract method. Along with the abstract method, an interface may also contain constant, default method, static method and nested types. Okay, method bodies exist only for default method and static method. Okay, and here an interface is similar to the class and can contain any number of method, and it will be having the extension of .java. The bytecode for the interface appear in .class file. The interface appear in package and other corresponding bytecode file must be in a directory structure that matches the package name. Okay. The next is the uses of interface. That is, since Java does not support for multiple inheritance, using interface we can achieve it. Then to achieve the loose coupling, and also it is used to implement the abstraction. Next one, defining the interface. Okay, so here this is the access specifier, then interface is the keyword, and this is the interface name. Okay, and this is the return type and final keyword, etc, etc. So this is the main thing, that is interface is the keyword used to declare the type. Next we will see about the sample code using interface. Okay, see here, this is interface name is sample, and here we are using the final string name as string, and inside the method void display of, so it is having the interface sample is having one string name as well as a void display of method. Okay, so this void display of method will be implemented in the next class. Okay, see, public class test class implements sample. Okay, so this void display of definition of this void display of will be available in the class test since it implements the sample void display of welcome. Next, public static void main test case t dot display of. Okay, so when it goes for t dot display of, it will display welcome, and when you are printing the name, it is printing the value string. Since it implements the sample, the code for method is available inside the test class, and the string is printed. So welcome string is printed here. Okay, next this is the another class. See, another interface program, interface drawable, and here we are using the method only draw, and the class rectangle implements drawable. Inside we are, so this program definition for the method void draw is available here, drawing rectangle. Next, class circle implements drawable. Again we are using the draw method in which we are drawing circle. Next, public main method. So we are creating object for drawable, and we are calling circle as well as draw off. In that it is drawing the circle. D dot draw off, it is first calling, it is drawing the circle. Next is the nested interface. That is, the nested interface means interface in which another interface is available, means we can say it as a nested interface. Okay, so an interface can be declared as a member of a class or another interface, and it can be declared as a public, private or protected. So example code for this one is interface my interface, and the display of, it is having the method, and inside my interface A we are having another interface B, and in that we are having the method my method, and this my method is defined. See here, this is the main thing, that public class nest interface class demo implements my interface A dot my interface B. Since we are using two interface, here we are given interface A as well as interface B, and the my method is defined here. The next void, here we are creating the object for my interface A as well as interface B, and we are calling the my method, and now it is printed as nested interface method. Okay, so this is about the nested interface. Okay, thank you.